welcome back to my video. As usual, for those of you who have been following my recent videos, you will notice that I have been talking about paid surveys, and in today's video that's what we are going to be talking about. If you haven't watched my last video, please make sure that you go and watch my last video where I talked about 3 best survey websites for Nigerians. These 3 are websites that I recommend for you if you are a Nigerian or if you are an African and you want to get legit websites where you can get paid to answer survey questions. Now in today's video, I want to talk about one of the platforms where you can test products, you can test a website and get paid for it. All right, this is still part of the series of my survey jobs. Okay, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. Please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe so that you won't miss whatever I share on this channel. Now on your screen, what you are seeing is a payment received by one of the students who went through our survey class. All right, if you go through the class, you're going to learn quite a lot about how you can actually make money from survey. Now if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can be part of that class. Okay, so quickly let's get straight into the video. Now on your screen right here is a website where you can test products, you can test websites, you can test apps and make money for yourself just by testing. Okay, the name of the website is called Usertesting.com. Now if you look at this, now on this page it says get paid to test, boost your monthly income in your free time. Now let me just say this as a tip. Please understand that testing of website or doing website or doing survey jobs is not the fastest way for you to become a millionaire. All right, what I'm saying is that you may not become a millionaire in 3 months of doing survey jobs or doing testing jobs, but definitely is a very good way for you to start, especially if you are looking for an online business that you need to invest, that you need to start without investing money. So this is a good way to start, especially if you have your phone and you have your data. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see more about this page. Now let's look at how it works. When you come here, the first thing to do is not to sign up. The first thing is to understand how it works. If you come here now, you will see influence the biggest brand, latest technology and innovative companies while earning money online in your spare time. What does this mean? It means that there are brands, there are businesses, there are latest technologies created by companies. So these people want to be sure how it works, how their users get to interact with their products. So what they do is to roll out their products, and you as a user, you come and test it. Once you test it, they take your feedback. All right, they take your feedback, and that feedback is what they are paying you for. I believe you're understanding now. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to apply. You submit your email and take a quick practice test to join the global network of trusted contributors. And once you go down, once you sign up, you browse, answer screening questions to match with earning opportunities, meaning that there are different earning opportunities. You get new recorded tests are released all the time. Okay, as you can see here, you can see $4, meaning that you can earn $4 on a short test, and you can see you can earn $30, you can earn more of that. As you can see on your screen, this is another result of another student, meaning that you can make as much as you want to make if you are consistent with this. So once you are done with browsing to pick jobs, all you need to do is to go through the test, share your perspective via test you match with, and help best in class brand improve their product and service. So your feedback from the test you take is what they will use to understand if the users are enjoying their product or not. So they are paying you for that. All right, and once you do that, you start making money. You get rewarded for different types of tests. Our test feed will show you the amount you get paid for each test. Are you seeing now? So there's a very good possibility that you can make money from here, and these are other opportunities. Means that you can also take survey questions. You can answer simple set of questions without screen, without audio, without recording. So if you are somebody that is shy, you don't like to show your face, this is a good way to make money quietly. Are you getting it now? So these are recorded tests. Are you seeing it now? You can answer questions, okay, by records or by live conversations. Now you can see the different organizations that post their jobs here. So it shows that this is a legit website. Are you getting now? Can you see? This is the reviews by people, meaning that there are live people who are making money on this platform. Okay, this is something you can come here and make money on. Just take your time and come to the platform and check it. Okay, let's go to this other side so you can see. Let me show you. You can come here and ask questions. Okay, check the FAQs to see what people are saying. So for you to register, all you need to do is to click on get paid to test. All right, once you click on that, let's click on it. It's going to open another page for us where we are going to have to input our email. Can you see? Insert your email here and click on get started and follow all the process so that you can get enlisted and start getting jobs. Are you getting now? So this is just a review of the user testing website. So there are different platforms where you can actually do this and make money for yourself. But one of the things I have to tell you is sometimes you really need someone to guide you and show you what you need to do, exactly what you need to do step by step, so you don't make mistakes, so that you can even receive your money when you start making money. Because these are some of the things that most beginners don't know. Okay, so if you really want to learn exactly how you can be making money from surveys, from testing websites, I will drop a link in my description. Make sure that you check that link. Okay, that link is going to take you to where you are going to pay for access. If you're someone that you don't like to pay for access, you don't like to pay for information online, please don't bother yourself. But if you are really ready to learn from somebody who is doing this, all right, if you're really ready to join our community, go to the link in my description. I will drop the link there and I will pin it to the comment section. Make sure that you check it. All right, check it, click on it, make payments. All right, when you make payments, you will be given access to the community where you are going to be learning more about all the step-by-step process of what you need to do to start earning money. In case you are doubting whether this is real or not, this is another screenshot of one of the students from our community. So I don't need to go on and on showing you all these things, but if you are serious about it, if you're ready, go to the link in the description and click on the link, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.